Hi, I'm Andy. This video will discuss how to raise and lower wheels on a GE side-by-side refrigerator. The tools you'll need for this job are a flat blade screwdriver, a pry bar or crowbar, and if you have hardwood flooring or flooring that you need to protect, a square of cardboard is really nice. Let me show you how it's done. On a GE side-by-side refrigerator, you have two wheels in the back that are non-adjustable. Also, the two wheels in the front, they are adjustable. You'll find it easiest to access them by opening the freezer and the refrigerator door. To remove the lower kick panel, grab on each side, pull towards you. And you'll see you have spring clips. Set that aside. The screw that we'll need to access is the largest one with the flat blade on the head. What I wanted to show you is it's very difficult to raise a wheel if there's weight on that wheel. You can do it, but it's a slow process. Place the cardboard down on the floor to protect the flooring. And to get the weight off of that wheel, we'll take our pry bar, go ahead and insert the flat blade into the screw, and then scoot the pry bar up next to it, and then lift up just very slightly. That allows you to turn that screw very easily. Once you've gotten it to the height you need, pull everything away, do both sides, reinstall the kick panel. As I mentioned, you have the two clips. You can squeeze these with your fingers as you're inserting it below the fridge. That bottom clip goes right above that silver brace that goes left to right. Well, thanks for watching. One recommendation I do have is always leave your refrigerator where you can roll it out quickly if you ever had to. If you have a water leak behind your refrigerator and you need to roll this out to turn the water valve off, you're going to want to do that quickly and not go hunting for tools to do the job that we just did. So I hope that information is helpful. If you have not already done so, please be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. It helps a lot.